Odd13 has a diverse lineup of beers. Are these all new recipes or retooled homebrew recipes?
There's very little that we brew these days that has any bearing on my homebrew recipes. But at this point, I'm still formulating about 90% of the recipes. The remaining 10% are kind of a collaborative effort between our brew staff. We have a total of 8 people on our brewing team, not including myself. I don't actually brew anymore. And I come up with a lot of the recipes myself, but a lot of the times they'll float ideas and kind of run them up the flagpole, and some of those get turned into to beers that we end up making on a pretty big scale.